How to use single-user Tele on multiple computers new 2025. Most people get this wrong, but you can use a single-user Tele license on multiple computers without breaking the rules if done correctly. You won't believe how efficient it can be once you set it up properly. Start by installing Tele on each computer where you want access. Make sure all installations are the same version as your license allows. Next, choose one computer as the primary server where your Tele data files will be stored. Other computers, the clients, will access this data over a local network or shared folder. Ensure all computers are connected and can read or write to the shared folder. In Tele, enable remote access under the company's settings. On the client computers, open Tele and select Connect to Remote Company. Enter the server computer's IP address or computer name, then authenticate using your Tele credentials. The surprising truth is that many users try to copy the company data to multiple computers. This causes version conflicts and data corruption. Always access a single copy of the data remotely to maintain integrity. Once connected, you can work on the same company data simultaneously. Remember, single-user licenses restrict concurrent editing. Only one user can actively modify the data at a time, while others can view reports. In conclusion, using single-user Tele on multiple computers involves installing Tele, setting one computer as a server, sharing the data folder, and connecting clients remotely. Follow these steps, and you'll maintain a secure, efficient workflow without risking your financial data.